Hey, Dad, you should make something cool.
So the audio for this didn't come out. And rather than subject you to an hour of background blower noise, I decided we could just time lapse this and I'll do a voiceover. In the end, I think this works out better. What I have here is an old brace bit that I found in my father's tool collection. I have no idea how old it is, but several parts are chromed, however, so I expect it's from the 1960s or 1970s. Either way, I think this is an interesting piece to restore. So I'm going to start with a wire brush, knocking the big bits of rust off. Well, it looks like the easier bits to disassemble are at the bottom end, so I'll start by unscrewing the end and getting the chuck disassembled. Turns out there's a fair bit of grease inside the chuck, so it's time to get some gloves on. Now, it looks like there are two absolutely tiny Phillips head screws holding this head in place. Oh, you silly dragon, you will learn. And these screw heads are caked with debris, so some more brushing. Maybe a different sized screwdriver tip is needed? Yes? No? I just don't see this happening. Oh well, I think I'll need to replace the screws anyway, so drilling them out is fair game. Well, I'll be a son of a gun, it was screwed down. Guess I'll have to figure out a way to re-secure it all. And that's frustrating. Okay, time to get this rust off. I don't think the Scotch-Brite pad will be enough, but I'm going to start with it and we can get more aggressive if needed. Yeah, wire brush time. But I don't want to try to hand brush this, there's just way too much. The drill looks like it's working, kind of. I mean, holding the piece and holding the drill, this is kind of awkward. Oh, I know. How about the pillar drill? Ah, yeah, that's much better. And yes, I'm using the wire brush to clean off the wood as well. Now I can use the Scotch-Brite to get the last couple of bits that the drill brush couldn't get to easily. And from here we'll start rubbing in some oil on the surface to keep it from flash rusting. Alright, give me a moment off camera to get the pommel stripped down. Not sure how I should finish the wood, but this looks like it has a nice color to it. I don't know, I think maybe I'll try plain butcher block oil. Yeah, I think I like that. Of course, oil, so more gloves are needed. Alright, so back to my whole tearing the pommel off. The wood was deteriorated and the drill took a bit more out than I wanted. I think maybe I can use this wood filler to rebuild it well enough that I can get it assembled a little more solidly than it was when I started this. Maybe? Of course, good luck trying to hold it all together. I don't think this is quite working. Let me clean out some more of the deteriorated bits. If I can hollow out the core, I can rotate the entire pommel and use the flange screws in fresh wood. Well, as fresh as 50-year-old wood can be. Yeah, that's actually looking pretty good. Let's see what this can do. I want to take just a moment to thank everyone for checking out this video. If you like this kind of work, go ahead and click like down below. If you want to see more of what I'm doing, click subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.